Hello everyone, welcome back to the another new recipe, and today we are going to make one delicious chat. It's a tomato chat, and believe me, it's going to be awesome. You have to try this out. Without making any delay, let's start this recipe. This is a tomato filling. So tomato and the filling is there. For the filling, what we have to do is like we have to grind some ingredients. What are those? Okay, I have taken here capsicum, bell pepper. I have taken here yellow color one. You can go for any color, red one or a green one, anything. So off of the capsicum I have taken, just we have to boil this, we have to cook this. No, don't cook over, it should be like soft enough. Okay, put some water, and I have put one chili. If you want more spice, you can add two chili also. So close the lid and just keep it for sim and let it cook. Meanwhile, we can get ready with the other ingredients. So I have taken here coconut also, fresh coconut, chop it or grated coconut, anything is fine. So coconut is ready. Now we have to cook that capsicum first, right? Till that we will keep things ready also. Okay, then we have to cut these tomatoes into half. So that is enough, half is enough, or else you can take full also, but half it feels me better. So that inside the seed part we have to grind that one. So remove that seed part and put it in a mixer jar. Okay, now we will move on to the capsicum. Yeah, it's cooked, you can check it. You can just poke it and see if it is soft enough, then it's fine. See, mine is cooked, right? So yeah, we can take this out, let it cool down. So we have to grind this, let it be cool, then we can grind these capsicums along with other ingredients. So okay, now we have taken here tomatoes already inside one, right? And then for that we are adding this capsicum and one chili. See, approximately it's like a half cup. Yeah, you can say this as a half cup. You can go for a quarter cup of coconut, or you can go for even a half cup. That will be also very nice. Half of though both same, you can take the measurement. And cilantro, coriander leaves, only two string you put. Don't put more. Only two string kind of thing. And instead of coconut also, you can go for cashews, soaked cashews or soaked almonds. Okay, and taste for salt according to your taste, and just grind it. After grinding, see, this consistency is fine. You can taste it. If it is good, you can just, we can fill this in a tomato. But taste it before. If you feel like adding any salt, or if you want to add pepper or any other masala, you can add, you are free to add. Okay. And what I will do is like each tomato filling, each spices you can add in particular tomatoes, you can do that also. So okay, see, now inside filling is ready. Only we have to fill those in a tomato cup, like this way. Isn't it beautiful? And how much time it took? Only few minutes. And whenever their guest is there, or if you want to eat something snack, but still you are healthy, right? You want to eat healthy. No need to eat outside food also. You can make yourself, and it's very easy. You need not to be a chef. Anyone can do this. Even if you tell kids, they will only come and help you. Okay, after filling, see, I have left over this much. If you want, you can cut some more tomatoes, you can fill those also. Now it's a topping time. You can add any toppings. Okay, so I have taken here to contrast the color, I have taken here green pepper, bell pepper means capsicum. So, and coconut, small pieces I have cut it, and some peanuts, roasted peanut, this one. Okay, and coriander leaves, and some sesame seeds. See, I have put the peanuts first, and capsicum and coconut. I am garnishing with that, and sesame seed at the end. And I'm doing cilantro, coriander leaves. Okay, isn't it beautiful? It's done. Very, very easy. And if you want, you can add black pepper also. It gives little different taste. You can try for one black pepper and one black salt and one for jeera powder and one for some other if you want. You can just sprinkle it and you can try which one will give you a better taste. You can go continue that one. See this beautiful, very colorful, and very tasty, yummy. Okay, see, for only one tomato, I'm just sprinkling this black salt. Okay, it's a black salt. You can try it out, just sprinkle it and see the difference by yourself, how you feel like. How the taste is. Wow, it's so delicious. I'm not waiting. I can't wait it. I can't wait. I have to eat it now only. So it's ready. Very delicious, super duper, and healthy and Satvic chat. So our chat is ready. Wow. Isn't it beautiful? See this beautiful creation. Right? Nice, right? Very awesome. Looks good. You can add any toppings you want. Let's try this one. Okay? I'm collecting words, what to say. It's awesome. You have to try this out. This is the center one is added black pepper for this. Let me try this one. So delicious. And it's raw kind of thing. Only bell pepper we have baked it little bit, but it's giving an amazing taste and doesn't take much time to make. And tomato we should not cook, right? We can have it like that. And it's perfect. You can add or leave the black pepper, your wish. Even you can add some more masalas if you want. But for me, this is enough. Nothing required for me. The peanut and the capsicum, the green bell pepper, that one, and coconut, it's giving the crunchy thing. And even the tomato is also giving crunchy thing. Only the inside is there that give you smooth texture thing. Both together, it's awesome. Very delicious. You try and let me know. Come back and write it in the comment how was the taste. Okay, and I'm going to finish this bowl. It's so delicious, but it takes like you can keep whole in mouth half tomato, right? So you can keep it. It's very easy. My mouth is big, I can keep. Oh, I think after this chat stomach will fill. Even we can have this for dinner also. If you make little more, you can have it for dinner. It's nice, actually. Delicious. We can invent so many new dishes. I am bad at before, but I became expert in this. You can become whatever you want. See how I made this one. Hmm. You go and prepare this dish. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Namaste.